Headroom's ready to bang.
You have been at this for 12 years.
Trust me, this sex bricky knows how to throw it down.
Why are you doing it?
Just at the front of a local library, some sources tell me that they've got books in there. And I'm also told there might be children inside the library as well.
We're Homeland Security. You know we can't go off rescuing Honduran kids.
I'm going to grab any kids that I see and I'm going to evacuate them out of that fucking devil place, mate. We need to get them out, mate.
And yet somehow you have failed to bring me one real-world lead.
Try and find the real Barbie. You can't.
It's over, Tim. Close up and come back home.
I was too busy fucking, taking on them cunts.
So you quit your job and you go and rescue those kids.
Hopefully I'll be able to extract a handful of kids. The kids. I'm going to grab some kids. I have had security follow me. They let kids roam in the library unprotected. Librarians called the cops on me. They're trying to come for the kids, but I'm not going to let them.
Hear that?
I'm going to be the only one that's coming for the kids.
That's the sound of freedom.